something building up inside me. I must prepare, I must get ready. Serving you, Yahweh, keeps me strong and steady. For you, Lord, I'll go for green living. Living the way you meant for me to live.
Hello, everybody. Welcome to Green Hippies.
Yay!
This is Root, and I'm Daniel.
Yes.
Now, today we have a video. It's an introduction to exactly what Green Hippies is. It's about green living, sustainability, community, hiking, hostels.
People ask about the green and the green hippies, and we believe nature is God-made and we're God-made, and we believe we should be growing with nature, like she provides us with food and clean air, recycle. But just like the trees are connected, we also believe that we are connected.
Yes.
And that's why we're doing this green hippie thing,
Yes.
isn't it?
And we have our other main channel, which you can find most of the details. I mean, we're going to try to post here as much as we can too. And but go for green living. See, green. You know, it matches. So go for green living on YouTube. So
that's the main channel. That's
yes.
the big channel. So we're all about caring for nature and each other, and we are living as much as we can with nature, of nature.
Yes.
And we also, the caring part, we are doing a pay it forward.
Yes.
And tell us more about the pay it forward, the green hippie one.
Well, once a month we are trying to give away like 200 meals.
We did 113 last month.
Yeah, last month we tried.
So, Green Hippies, if you want to join, or if you're curious about who we are for God, for each other, for God. We're living it out, and we appreciate you all. We love you. We want you to grow into who you are, and we want just to grow together and encourage you guys. And check out our hiker hostel, our tiny house apartment thing. And we love our friends of all colors, don't we? Hello, Spock. So, what kind of animals do we have?
We have a cow, a horse, rabbits, chickens, puppies, kittens, everything.
Yes, we do, don't we? Yes, we do.
We believe in
Recycling.
upcycling. We encourage renewable energy.
Renewable energy.
And then we believe in raising our own food.
And what are these?
Tilapia.
Yay!
I used to have a wild animal rescue, but now that I don't even have that, the animals still keep coming.
So all the funny little updates on the things we're doing, you will find there on GoForGreenLiving.
Yes, and it's a pay it forward situation. So we give away meals once a month, and you're welcome to join in with us.
Yes, and we also encourage people to grow together and grow with nature. And we've been living this life for a long time, so we just want to connect with you other guys that are out there that have the same thing. And Daniel, you made this cup house.
Yes, I made the cup house.
With help from the community.
Yes, with help from the community.
And
yes.
Now we're doing a hiker hostel.
Yes, a hiker hostel and building the high house, which is
a modern 3-apartment tiny house.
Yes, exactly. The ultimate tiny house.
With attached greenhouses in each apartment. So we want to grow with nature and each other, right?
Yes.
So join us, check out more on Go for Green Living, and become a green hippie.
Join us.
Yes. Bye.
Remember, be good and do good.
Peace out.